Hi, Jimmy Gleason here. I am gonna show you how we do our warm-up before we start our group or private lessons. First thing we do is we gotta warm up the blood. So what I have my students do is they do 25 jumping jacks just to warm up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's very important. You get the blood pumping, muscles warmed a bit, and then we stretch going from the ground up to the upper body. So lower body to upper body. So the first things I do is I do the joints. I do wrist and I do ankles, 10 seconds each. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to do this foot and then pull this back to do the forearm. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The foot other way and then this wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This arm. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then here. Then I do the knees. Both ways. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trunk twisters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I do toe touchers. Lean over. It also gets the lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do what we call the flamingo. Pull it up here. And 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you need help, the kids can grab on the net, but I'm just doing it with my balance. It's good for kids to learn how to balance. You do both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then I do shoulder circles, arm circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. I go small, medium, large. Trunk twisters. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then up. Then the arms. Pull it back. This is good for serving. I go here, pull it across. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this way. And lastly, I lengthen my body. I put my hands up, lock my elbows, lean back, hips forward, feet together, head back. Lock your arms and intensify. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this way. And that's my warm-up. Coach Jimmy G over and out.